What is going on, guys? I am back. So after some more testing, I have found some issues. So for whatever reason, the camera worked temporarily after the update, but it now isn't working. So it seems as though Apple has done something very strange with the cameras this time around. The back camera seems to work temporarily, but the overall camera app is extremely glitchy. Keep in mind, both of these phones have their original cameras installed, but this gets even weirder. Watch what happens when I swap the blue camera to the black camera. So both the back cameras and the front cameras are now working. These cameras are working with the non-original cameras. So inside this phone, I have the black phone's camera, and inside the black phone, I have the blue phone's camera. We also get the Face ID issue. So what does this mean? The phone is basically rejecting its own original camera after it being removed. So if you remove your phone's camera and then reattach it, it'll go black. I've also noticed that leaving the back glass detached makes the phone restart every 2 minutes. That isn't much to be concerned about, but this camera issue is seriously concerning. So what does this mean for repairs? Well, if a technician removes the front camera and reinstalls it, it's potentially just gonna go black. I'm still confirming this issue with Marnix, but there's definitely something seriously fishy going on with these cameras. I will keep you guys updated as soon as I find out anything else. But this is seriously concerning, and I hope this is just a bug that Apple fixes in the newest update. For now though, if you are a technician and you're working on an iPhone 14 or 14 Pro, whatever you do, do not remove that front camera. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll update you as soon as I find out anything else. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.